Hello everyone, my name is Manshu Sharma, Technical Engineer in Semco Infratech Private Limited. Today I am going to demonstrate about Dual Digital Display Intelligent Precision Pulse Spot Welder. The rating of this machine is 4.5 volt, 80 to 800 ampere. First of all, let us know about screen interference, which is shown on the machine. Welding pulse, percentage of current, setting keys, pedal interference, LED light, fixed welding head. First of all, let us know about screen interference, which is shown on the machine. This is the welding pulse. This is the percentage of current. These are the settings key. These are both this and this up and down key. With the help of this key, we can set the current. Next, pedal head, pedal interference, LED light, electrode, fixed weld head. This is the welding pressure adjuster. Turn up the pressure, adjust in clockwise to weld thicker thickness. Please turn down the adjust in anti-clockwise to weld inner thickness. Please observe the welding spot welding, whether fastness and small size. This is the setting key. We can set this is green. We can set the current like 5, 4. This current depend on this pulse and current depend upon the thickness of the material. Next, we change the pulse like this. This is the up key. This is the down key. Second pulse. Select the 60 ampere current. This machine is input voltage AC 110 volt to 220 volt. Please check your machine's suitable voltage to use. Primary current 2 ampere to 50 ampere, welding current 50 ampere to 800 ampere. The width of one pulse time 0.5 to 5 millisecond. The width of two pulse time 1 to 10 millisecond. Summary of this machine is: use microchip for controlling precision current to weld in precision. Controlling by microcomputer, it is suitable for welding, charging, battery pack, button cells, lead, hardware to process, etc. The other name of this machine is 737G. This precision spot welding machine, which is designed to enhance the welding of thin metals without excessive heat. Thank you for watching this video. If this video informative for you, and if you want to live demo of this machine as well as another machine, you can visit our head office, Delhi, Padwarganj Industrial Area. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.